guys, it's Nikki and welcome to this week's new release video. I know this is going up really late. I still haven't been feeling super well, and I also wanted to get through all of the Orange Blossom and Succulent pre-sales, which all of those are shipping today, so I was able to do that. I do want to mention before I get into these that we do have a lot of restocks this week. Mom has been up in here foiling for a few days now, and we were able to get quite a few things restocked. So I want to go ahead and let me think. So Succulent will be restocked, Orange Blossom, Mermaid. We have some of the fourth kits that are being restocked, or that have been restocked. We have Magical. We have some of like the functional sheets, the neutral date covers are going to be restocked. All of those restocks are going to go up at noon Eastern Standard Time. I may have forgotten one, but I'm not totally sure. But make sure to check that out if there's anything older that you were looking to pick up. Those won't be pre-sales. Those actually have been stocked. So these are this week's new releases. We have two collections that were some past collections that were some of our absolute best sellers, and I wanted to redo some of those. So we have Sapphire and we have Merlot. And both of these have been reformatted with foil, so I'm super excited to show you guys. So I'm gonna get started with Merlot. And the first thing that we will have available are the date cover add-ons as well as the glitter header add-ons. These are available with or without foil, so whichever you prefer. And then this, I believe, is the deluxe kit. I'm not too sure what I put on top. But here are your full boxes. I love how this turned out with foil. I think it is so, so beautiful. Your quote box says, "Love grows here," and I love the antlers and the roses, anything floral. So that is your full box sheet. See if I can, there we go. Your second sheet has your weekend banner, two flags, you've got your date covers, your icons, your script icons, and deco, and then you've got a marquee down, or movie marquee down at the bottom, two weekly trackers, as well as a bill due. Your third sheet has your appointment labels, your glitter quarter boxes, marquees, as well as your half boxes. I love the colors in this kit. I think it is so beautiful. The next sheet has your little things, your headers, and then you've got your fancy labels up at the top. I believe that's what Viv called them. I love those little labels. Those are my new favorite. We have the flags that fit the top of the neutral Erin Condren. You've got your ombre heart checklist, two daily trackers, and then your bottom, I'm sorry, my printer just ran out of paper, your bottom washi sheet right here, which I love. Again, this, I don't know if I mentioned, but this is the gold foiling. So you've got your date covers down at the bottom, you've got your bottom washi, and then the rest of your washi here, which is cut to header size. So that was the deluxe kit. Next we have the mini kit. So you get that same sheet. I'm trying to figure out where to put that. You've got that same sheet of full boxes here. And then your second sheet has your weekend banner, your flags, your script icons, movie marquee, your cutout icons here, two daily trackers, two weekly trackers, and a bill due. And then down at the bottom you have your heart checklist. Next sheet has your labels, your glitter quarter boxes, your little things, and your headers. And then the last sheet has that same bottom washi, and then you've got some regular washi, some half boxes, and then some marquees on the side. And then I do also have this available in B6. So there is obviously a little bit of a difference in the full boxes, which you guys can see right here. I did want to keep this double box because I thought that was just super pretty. You have your 3/4 boxes down here, and then this right here is washi. Your next sheet has your appointment labels, your marquees, and half boxes. And then the bottom sheet, or not the bottom sheet, but the third sheet has your glitter headers, your fancy labels. You've got your headers, your weekly tracker, daily tracker, some flags, some 3-heart checklists, and then your little things down at the bottom. And then your last sheet, which is also a foiled sheet, has your washi strips, your date covers, your scripts right here, and then your cutout icons. I think you guys can see. I've got the lights turned down pretty low, but I also have the window, like the shades open, which I think makes it a little bit easier to see foiling. So all of that was Merlot. The next kit is Sapphire. I love this kit so much. So here are the glitter headers. These are foiled, and again, you have the option between foiled or non-foiled. Here's your date cover add-on, and then this is the deluxe kit. So here are your full boxes, and this one has silver foiling. I think this is so beautiful. We've got two different sets of kind of double boxes. They are cut, but they kind of go together. And I love this so much. And I didn't do a quote box on this, but every single box on the deluxe and mini kits is actually foiled. So that is your full box sheet, and then I'm just gonna kind of flip through these. I love the weekend banner up top, your half boxes and quarter boxes. Here are your little things and headers. Again, I love the colors in this kit as well. Your ombre heart checklist, and then here is your bottom washi and your date covers. Just super, super pretty. So that was the deluxe kit. We will also have that available in the mini kit. So here again, same full boxes. Your functional sheet here, we have your half box, well, these are kind of like in between a quarter box and a half box. Glitter boxes here, your icon, what am I saying? Your little things and your headers. And then here is your washi sheet. And then we will also have that available in the 6 size, which is right here. So this one is a little bit different, and this is washi right here, not a full box. And then you've got 3 glitter quarter boxes down at the bottom. Here are your appointment labels, your marquees, your half boxes. Here are your pretty labels. You've got your glitter headers, some functional things, and then your little things at the bottom. And then here is the other foiled sheet for B6, and this has your washi strips as well as your headers, some icons, and then some scripts. So that is this week's new releases. I hope you guys love everything, and I will talk to you guys next time. Bye, guys.